If you feel like you're screaming into the void when you post content on Facebook or Instagram, struggling to find a sustainable and scalable lead generation process that sticks, and you just want someone who's been there and done that to reveal their secrets, then it's critical that you register to save your spot ASAP. During this live masterclass, you'll get to steal the exact strategy I used to scale my income from $0 to $1 million in just 19 months without spending a fortune on ads or suffering from burnout. Simply check out the show notes of the podcast episode for the link to register for your free spot in the LinkedIn Lead Gen Masterclass. And don't worry, even if you miss a couple of days or you can't make it to all the training sessions, we'll deliver the replays directly into your inbox daily so you can watch them on your own time. All you have to do is make sure you sign up for the masterclass before registration ends. Hey. I hope you guys enjoy these, what I'm calling podcast shorts for my Burnout to All Out community. This is just a little peek behind the curtain of the coaching that goes on inside of my programs. We're bringing to you some of the best nuggets and coaching I'm giving within hot seats of all of our different programs, whether it's our LinkedIn Method Academy, our mini mastermind business basics, all the way up to our higher level mastermind. If you're hearing some of these questions and you're like, man, I wish I could get my burning question answered by Melissa. Hey, guess what? You could be featured on my podcast. If you've got a question that you want answered and you submit it to my team and we pick it, we will bring you here to the podcast for our podcast shorts and do a hot seat with you. Where can you submit your questions? Send them to teamburnouttooallout.co. We'll make sure we drop that in the show notes for our podcast shorts. And I hope that you guys find as much value in these shorts as our clients do inside the program. Need some effective tactical advice that actually helps you get results and makes a real difference in your life and business? You've come to the right place. If you're finding yourself here today, it means you're getting ready to gain serious traction in your business, rapidly multiply your income and impact, and you're ready to make it happen while living all out. Guys, I'm Melissa Hinault, your trustworthy corporate dropout turned six-figure business burnout turned happy and healthy CEO of a multi-million-dollar online business. And you're listening to the Burnout to All Out podcast. On this show, we're serving up innovative growth strategies, simple implementation methods to put them into practice, and action-stimulating inspiration tailored specifically for the modern entrepreneur. Let's dive in.
One more shining star here. So, how do I respond to this reply to upgrade recovery and skills training? It says, I'm okay. I've got myself in a good routine now with my workload and recovery that works for me. So, what I would say to keep the conversation going, awesome. What's working best for you about that routine? Maybe you're getting responses that you feel is like a standstill because, they're satisfied. If they're satisfied with their product or service, ask them why. Number one, this is great market research for you. Number two, it keeps the conversation going. Number three, while you keep the conversation going, may turn into a referral for someone else who doesn't have the routine that this person does. I know you're looking to work with professional athletes, right? So keep the conversation going. If this is a professional athlete that's responding to you, every crumb is a meal, right? Like, tell me what's working for you. This is great. And then if you can identify some modalities or things that are working for them, keep the rapport and look for referrals. Just because things are working for people doesn't mean you're not a great referral for someone else. As a matter of fact, I have people who go through our Lead Gen Masterclass and they're like, you know what? I love this, but I'm good. But I've got 12 friends I just sent referrals to this program because they need what you're doing, right? So just because someone is satisfied doesn't mean they can't be a phenomenal referral. Does that make sense?
Okay. Yeah, I get a lot of all set kind of things. So I don't know where to go with them. I think there's another question which I asked.
Awesome. What's working so well for you? The other thing you can do is very humble. That's awesome. I'm doing some market research for my business. Could you share with me what is giving you the best impact? What's giving you the best results?
Okay. Fabulous. All right. I guess because I'm doing the whole DM thing and I'm having lots of little conversations, but getting to the next level. Okay.
And celebrate the little conversations. The nurture is going to, the content and the feed is going to create the know, love, and trust.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The fact that these pro athletes have connected with you and they're having conversation with you, let your expertise shine in the feed. Right.
I don't post enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you see my post where I posted, who the fuck am I?
No, I didn't.
That one got that one got my both likes.
I love that. Anything bold usually gets a lot of attention. Anything bold. But yeah, so just keep the conversation going. Look for referrals, do your market research. This is for all of you guys. Hey, I'm doing my market research. I would love to know what's working so well for you, right? Where do you think the biggest challenges in your industry, right? Like, where do you find that other athletes are falling short with this? Why do you think you've been so successful with it? There's just lots of really good follow-up questions there. Okay. All right, guys.
Thanks, guys, so much for listening in on today's podcast episode. And I can't wait for you to see my upcoming guest in the next episode. You are going to love this keynote speaker. Hey, here's the deal. If you liked this, please subscribe and leave a review. And you want the latest online business growth strategies and exclusive LinkedIn pro tips sent straight to your phone? Text the word update to 704-318-2285. That is, text the word update to 704-318-2285. Can't wait to see you guys. Come find me over on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you like to hang. I cannot wait to hear how you are enjoying and applying what you're learning. You guys reach out to me over on social because I love hearing what's resonating with you. When you reach out to me and you send me those personal DMs, they really do impact the content I continue to bring forward to you. So again, come find me, Melissa_Hinault over on Instagram, Melissa Hinault over on LinkedIn and Facebook. Can't wait to see you guys over there.